Hello, welcome to Black Frog. As a new member there are many things you must learn. Like how to deliver during war, smuggling Viagra to capsuleers, how to fly a jump freighter, how to fit a drug-filled condom in your ass to hide it from Concord, and so forth, basic everyday skills. But today we are going to discuss a rarely discussed topic, Cyno law. You can't just go lighting Cynos anywhere you want. There are laws to be obeyed, protocols to be followed. Whoa, so like I can't light a Cyno in a CIS? No, you may not. Democritus controls that system. Lighting a Cyno requires his permission. He hates fucking Cynos. He killed one of our members 10 times for violating Cyno law. Whoa, so like, I didn't realize there was a such thing as Cyno law. What else can you tell me? You may also not light a Cyno in a system where there's a really hot Asian girl. Really? Why not? Because then half of New Eden will swarm in without warning. It would be like Bill Cosby, Michael Jackson, and Jared from Subway running around a daycare center for teens and preteens. But isn't our CEO an Asian girl, Lynn? Yes, and for that reason she is the only member who can't light a Cyno. She and Tudatai would hem and say, he violated Cyno law too many times, but he and Lynn were sleeping together, so it was up to the alliance leader, Spicy Frog, to do something. Whoa, discrimination is a line that shouldn't be crossed, bro. No, that's the finish line at the Boston Marathon. Are there any other Cyno laws? Yes. To light a Cyno in a system ruled by a male you will need a semen sample, and permission slips in triplicate, at least 2 weeks prior to lighting the Cyno. Oh wow, this is really complicated. Yes, and if he dies during those 2 weeks, you need the same from his next of kin. But what if his next of kin is a minor? Then you must call MSNBC's Chris Hansen to obtain it. He will ask you to take a seat over there while he does so. Whoa, anything else? Yes, in Red Frog Alliance we are real men. We don't use rookie ships as Cyno ships. All Cyno ships must be battlecruiser or above. Whoa. Yes, we once had a pilot light a Cyno in a Titan, he held bravely. This is all prescribed in Cyno law. So like, this isn't pulled out of someone's ass. No. The original capsuleers who colonized New Eden foresaw the problems with Cynos, and so they wrote these laws as a guiding light that we must obey. Why? Because the rule of law separates us from the savages. It's what makes us civilized. It makes us a beacon of freedom in an otherwise harsh, cold New Eden galaxy. Wow, I never thought. Think of all the children of New Eden, wounded by the harshness of reality, looking up with their parents at the starry sky, looking at the galaxy, knowing that good, honest cargo pilots traverse the cosmos, and they look up at their parents, and with a tear coming from their eye, they say, Mommy, when I grow up I want to be a red frog in the Black Frog Corp. That's why we do this, that's why Cyno law matters, and that's why it must be preserved. Whoa, you're totally right. I feel at awe with the gravity of Cyno law, it must be upheld, for the children of New Eden. Yes, and that's why violations of Cyno law are dealt with harshly. You will be killed, podded, and booted from Corp. And you won't get your security deposit back. I feel at one with the galaxy. Now, you, new member of Black Frog watching this, now you know the importance of Cyno law. Go ya now out into that harsh winter of the void, of the reality of New Eden, and spread the light of Black Frog by enforcing Cyno law.